Did you know your skin can actually start looking brighter and more refreshed in as little as 20 minutes? Yep, you don't always need an expensive spa day or a 2-hour facial. Sometimes it's just about knowing the right steps to take at the right time. Now, let me ask you, how many of you have ever woken up, looked into the mirror, and thought, oh, my skin looks so tired today? Yeah, I've been there too. But today I'm going to share with you a good skincare routine to transform dull, tired skin into radiant, glowing skin in under 20 minutes. And I'll explain the science behind why it works. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I am Senti and I love sharing skincare routine, tips and tricks that actually work. Today's video is all about speed because let's face it, most of us don't have the time for 2-hour skincare rituals. Whether you are rushing for work, getting ready for a date or prepping for an event, this quick glow up routine is going to be your best friend. And here is the best part. It's budget friendly and you can do it with things you probably already have at home. So let's talk about dull skin for a second. Why does our skin look dull in the first place? First, dead skin cells. When old skin cells just sit on the surface, your face looks tired and lifeless. Second, dehydration. If your skin doesn't have enough water, it starts looking flaky and rough. Third, uneven skin tone. Sun damage, stress, or even lack of sleep can make your skin tone patchy, which kills that natural glow. And the worst part, when our skin looks dull, it also affects how we feel. You can have the nicest outfit, best hairstyle, and if your skin looks tired, you don't feel your best. But here is the good news. You don't need to live with dull skin. You just need a fast, focused routine to wake it up, and that's what exactly we are going to do today. Step-by-step routine. Step 1. Cleanse. First things first, cleansing. This step is like wiping the slate clean. I love using micellar water because it's gentle, but you can also use any mild face wash that suits your skin type. Cleansing removes dirt, oil, and build-up that blocks your glow. Think of it like washing a window. The clearer it is, the more light shines through. Step 2, exfoliate. Next, exfoliation, and this is where the magic starts. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, which are basically what's making your skin look flat and dull. You can go two ways here: a physical exfoliant like a gentle scrub, or a chemical exfoliant like an AHA or BHA. If you are going for a scrub, be gentle. Your skin isn't a kitchen floor. Massage for about 30 seconds, then rinse with lukewarm water. If you are using a chemical exfoliant, apply a thin layer and let it sit for a few minutes. The result: instantly smoother, brighter skin. Step 3, tone. After exfoliation, your skin is fresh and open. So now we bring in toner. Toner balances your skin's pH, shrinks pores, and preps your skin to absorb everything else better. I love toners with witch hazel and aloe vera, soothing and refreshing at the same time. This is one of those steps people skip, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. 4. Moisturize. Finally, moisturizer. This is where your glow really locks in. Choose one with vitamin C for brightness and hyaluronic acid for hydration. Apply it while your skin is slightly down so it traps moisture inside. Gently massage it in your skin. Not only does this help absorption, but the massaging also boosts circulation, which makes your skin look more alive instantly. Now here is my favorite hack that takes this whole routine to the next level: facial steaming. Just 5 minutes of steaming before applying your toner and moisturizers open your pores, boost blood flow, and makes your product absorb so much better. No steamer, no problem. Just boil some water, pour it into a bowl, lean over with a towel over your head, and let the steam do its thing. Not only does it feel amazing, but it detoxifies your skin and leaves it extra soft. It's literally a mini spa moment at home. If you have a little more time, here are some bonus tips. A quick DIY honey and turmeric mask. Honey hydrates, turmeric brightens. Chilled green tea bags under the eyes reduces puffiness and adds freshness. And my favorite, splash your face with cool water at the end. It tightens pores and makes your skin instantly firmer. And that's it. In under 20 minutes, you have cleansed, exfoliate, tone, and moisturize, and maybe even steam your way to radiant, glowing skin. Honestly, once you try this, you'll see how big a difference small, consistent steps can make. Remember, skincare isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling confident, refreshed, and ready to take on the day. Now, I want to know from you, what's your secret glow up trick? Drop it in the comment because I love trying out different suggestions. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend who needs a glow up, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Now go shine without radiant skin.